Hello everyone, this is Sanu. So, are you looking to collect job applications for your company? If so, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can build a custom app for to collect job applications for your company using Pabbly Studio. So, first of all, you need to go to the pabbly.com website. I will leave my link in the description. You can just go and click on that link. And now from here you just click on this sign up for free button and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you will see your dashboard like this. So just scroll down and click on this access now button under Pabbly Studio. This is a beta version. Okay, so just click on this access now button. Now this is your dashboard where you can create custom apps. Okay, you can build any kind of apps, but in today's video I am going to show you how you can build a job application app for your company. Okay, so click on this create app button, but before you click on that, Pabbly Studio offers you some free credits. As you can see, I am on the free plan, but if you want more credits, you can just click on this upgrade now button to buy your paid premium plan. Okay, now once you are here, just click on this create app button, give your app name like your company's name, digital Nexus. Okay, so just give your app name or your company name and click on this create button. Now here you just give the prompts here and wait for a few minutes, because Pabbly will take a few minutes to create a custom app for your company. Okay, so you just need to give the prompts. As you can see, here is my prompts. Create a job application app where candidates can enter their personal and professional details, upload a resume, add a cover letter, and submit their application. Store all applications in an admin dashboard where recruiters can view candidate details, search applications, filter by position and status, and update application status. Okay, so this is my prompt. I just enter. I just have to enter. Click on this send message button and wait for a few minutes. Okay, but before that you just have to pick the theme. Okay, so let's pick this theme and wait for a few seconds. Not a few seconds, but a few minutes. It will take some time. Now as you can see, this is your custom app built by Pabbly Studio. Okay, so from here you can view your app for different devices, as this is the desktop device, this is for the tab, and this is for the mobile. Okay, so from here to test this, let's open this app in the new window or new tab. Okay, so from here share app, just click on this and you can just click on this open app. Okay, so as you can see here, now as you can see here, this is the application. Okay, so this is looking so very beautiful and professional app. So let's see how it works. So fill your first name, email address, phone number. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can just enter. Applying for software engineer or something like let's experience level, anything, your current current company, portfolio, website, if any. You can also choose a resume Okay, so I don't have any, so okay, this is, you have to enter, you have to upload your resume. Okay, let's suppose you can also cover letter and just click on this submit application button. So this is the message you will receive, or your job applicants or candidates will receive. As you can see here, your app, thanks, the candidate name, your application has been received. Our recruiters will review it and reach out if there is a match. Okay, so this is how you build a beautiful custom job application app to collect applications for your company. If you want to see how it, if you want to review the application, this is your recruiter dashboard. As you can see here, there is a total one new and reviewing shortlisted. Here are all the details. Okay, so as you can see, here is the candidate name, position, experience, status, new, applied, the date. Okay, and you can just click on this view for more details. Okay, so you can also download the resume from here. Okay, so this is how you can build custom job applications for your company using Pabbly Studio. Okay, so all you need to do is give the best prompts and they will build a beautiful custom app for your company. Pabbly Studio will save you so much of time, effort and energy, and also the money, without writing a single line of code. Okay, you can build custom app under 10 minutes without writing a single line of code, which is a big positive. Okay, and you don't hire any developer. Okay, you just have to purchase, the Pabbly Studio premium plan. Okay, you can just click on this upgrade now button and just purchase whichever plan you wish to purchase. They have a monthly, yearly, 2 yearly, 3 yearly plan. Okay, so this is how you can build custom applications for your business. I have just shown you example. You can build any kind of apps using Pabbly Studio. So click the link in the description and try it yourself. And that's it in today's video. I will see you in the next one.